In 2024, I am all about protecting my skin and feeling more confident. The first thing I do is I grab my Color Science SPF 20. I got this in a few shades darker so that I can use it as a bronzer and give myself contour while still protecting my skin. It has vitamin E as well as a natural extract complex that leaves a non-irritating moisture barrier on the surface of my skin. I always bring it down my neck and décolleté too for added protection. You really can have it all with natural mineral makeup. The next thing I do is I use the Jane Iredale. This is the blush and bronzer, and I love these so much. They have pine bark extract, which helps calm and soothe my skin, as well as sunflower seed oil, which is very soothing, and it also is packed with antioxidants. When it comes to feeling more confident, I always play up areas of my face that I like, such as my lips. I used a very natural lip liner and just give a really nice little lining to my lips. And then I grab my Jane Iredale lip gloss, and this is packed with hyaluronic acid, so it makes them super plump and hydrated and glowy. And I always make sure my lip liner matches my lip gloss just for a really natural look. I actually have these in every single color for every occasion. And of course, there's areas that I don't like, and I conceal those with the Color Science SPF 50 Concealer. This is amazing, and I just use this on my scar. Anytime you have a scar, they will scar worse in the sun, so you'll want to have multiple layers. And then I'll also use it on any blemishes. But remember, guys, we are human, and we have pores, and we have fine lines and wrinkles, and we can be confident and have all of those and still look and feel our best. And these are my tips.